And let's see how it turns. I'm going to go ahead and scramble it. And it doesn't cut corners very well, but you know, you wouldn't really expect it to, would you? If you're going to have a hollowed out Rubik's Cube, you wouldn't expect that to cut corners very well. Did I just solve it by mixing it up? Oh my goodness, that's never happened. I was mixing it up, and apparently the way I mixed it up, I solved it. I'm going to have to go back and look at all those moves. But I thought I was just giving random moves. Wow, that is weird.
Oh, that is crazy.
Traveling